So I'm here on 3rd Street in Nampa, Idaho, and I passed this building, but I turned around and I wanted to show you guys something quite interesting. I mean, looks like a mud flutter, you know. You got the red brick. And then go inside. I wonder how deep it goes. But anyway, what caught my attention was, I'm about to show you guys. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? See what I mean? And what was the reason for this door being like this? You see how it's not level? Definitely a sign of mud flood. I don't know how deep that goes, but I mean, I don't see no reason why they did the door that way, and they could have made it level all the way across here. And then this thing, I don't know what the heck that is. I don't know why they chose to go with this type of design or architecture, but my theory is that this is not the original construction. I don't know what this was, but it could have been a bigger window. But I noticed there's no arch windows, but still, it could still be a case of a mud flutter. But yeah, just wanted to, matter of fact, you know, let me go all the way around. I didn't check out the other side of the building, but that's the address. 1615 3rd Street, Nampa, Idaho. Or I think it's just Caldwell, Idaho. Again, this doesn't make sense. I mean, it looks like they just raised the concrete. But for what reason, you know?
Wendigo.
The backyard. Interesting. So I'm here at the Presbyterian church. It says that it was established in 1918. I'm not quite sure if that's the year it was built or established, but I'll look into that later. Anyways, beautiful building. You got your arch, huge arch window right there, right in the dead center, with rose windows. It's sort of like inside of the building. It's like they covered it with like plastic or glass, regular glass window, and then on the inside you have your rose window. But anyways, I thought it was kind of funny because you look at this concrete, look at this work here. It's all cracked. It was probably done, what, 7 to 10 years ago. Not sure how long, but you know, good concrete lasts probably 10 years at the most. But yeah, like look at, you see the cracks there? All that, those cracks. You got another crack right here. You got a huge crack right here. But check this building out. No cracks. No cracks. Pristine. Well built. Definitely a mud flutter. But it's obviously got some Gothic type of design to it. More rose windows at the top here. You got windows here. And look at here. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense right there. Yeah, let's just make this here flat, and let's just build it this way. Let's put the door right there. It's a great idea. It's smart, very smart. Just leaves more room for flooding, you know. Anyways, you got some man-made construction here with their PVC pipes. All that plastic junk. But as I go to the back here, you have this small little house. It looks like it's about 2 stories, and it's got a basement. I don't want to go too close to it because it's someone's property. But definitely a sign of mud flood. Check out the base. Those aren't your ordinary cinder blocks. They're quite bigger. Yeah, you get the idea. And the rest is, of course, wood. It's as if they took off the top of this and used the foundation that was left here, and they built on top of it a house. Yeah. Anyway, this was on the same street, on the 3rd street, where I found that other building. That other building is a apartment. It's for rent. So, yeah. And this one here is a Presbyterian church. And it's quite beautiful, if you ask me. So right now, I'm here at the Sandstone Center building. I asked the owner who just purchased this building. He said he purchased it about 3 months ago, and he's going to turn it into a church. He said that it was originally a Methodist church, and the building's construction was from 1903. This brick here, I can't say that it's the original construction of the exterior, but just check this out. You got these trees, right? You got these trees, and let me just walk here. Check this out. Look at that. It goes all the way across. All the way across. I would have to go through the bushes just to capture, you know, those areas there. But it's quite amazing how deep it goes. Let me see if I can without getting any spider webs on me. So check this out. You see that? It goes all the way across. Zoom in. All the way across there. And there's a staircase on the other side. But anyway, So let's go to the other side of the building. Oh, and check this out too. Look at that. I mean, that makes sense, right? You know, let's just make a window here just to look at the concrete. You know what I'm saying? Again, yeah, I guess these people just like to look at concrete, you know? And it makes sense, you know what I'm saying? It's just another one here. It's just perfect architecture, right? You know? Yeah, let's just build this window and let's just block it with the concrete. Look at the whole front. Beautiful building. They're everywhere here in Idaho. Especially here, I've noticed quite a few as I'm driving. Within 30 minutes, you know, of my driving, I pass like 3, 4, or 5, and I just have to stop. But yeah, this one's amazing looking as well. And now check this out. Bam! Crazy, right? Isn't that amazing? I would go down there, but there's nothing that I could really see. All I know is that it's mud flooded for sure. They excavated this whole part here and turned it into a basement, because who knows how deep the basement goes. It probably goes a lot deeper than we see. But yeah, like I said, it was a place called Sandstone prior to the man purchasing it, who I just talked to. He didn't want to be on video. I asked him if he wanted to be on video, if he's fine with that, but he said he'd rather not. But yeah, it just goes all the way across here. See that? Makes perfect sense, right? It's quite hilarious if you ask me. And check this out. More. This goes all the way across. And like I said in my previous video, one of my other videos, sometimes you'll see them covered up with plywood, you know, for no apparent reason. But this is the other side of the building. I wonder if I can go to the back. I don't think I will, because that's where, on the other side there's a fence, and then there's the owner who purchased this building. He does not want to be filmed, and he has children, so you know, I respect that. He wants to keep his privacy. But yeah, it's amazing, right guys? Before I close off this video, I just forgot this. I missed this footage here, or this part of the building. But if you look up here, there's a door. Of course, this metal staircase here is man-made. But you look at this door, and look at the top. You see that design there? Sort of like a Celtic design almost. But look to your left. Those are windows. So what's sort of weird to me is that if you look above the door, just above the door, you've got that nice brick, you know, that nice stonework. But then you look here to this window. It's a window. You know what? They could have put this window here. That's definitely not original. So it leads me to believe that it could have been an arch window, but like I said, you got that stonework. Let me just go up there real quick. So, oh no, that's definitely man-made. That is not stonework. You can see how they tried to mimic They literally tried to mimic this work here. You see this? They tried to mimic this. That is not it. That is cheap as heck. Look at, dude, that is so brittle. Wow. Oh, that is so hilarious. Look at how they tried to layer it. Layer the concrete over each other just to make it look like this. You see, now this is stonework. Good stonework. Good construction. But that is in fact hilarious. That is quite hilarious. Oh my gosh. Wow. Well, nice try. You sure fooled me from far away. Good thing I came up these stairs so I could see the real detail. But yeah, like I said, you see? Straight across. This window right there. And then so on and so forth. Wow. That's amazing. That's the first I've seen like that. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this building, and again, be safe out there, guys.